All right, guys. So today we're going to talk about how to form and use comparative and superlative adverbs. All right. So using adverbs to compare actions. Comparative adverbs compare the actions of a person, thing, or group to the actions of some other person, thing, or group. Superlative adverbs compare the actions of a person, thing, or group to the actions of a larger group that it is a part of. Okay, so using adverbs to compare actions continue. So for adverbs that have one syllable, add er to make the comparative adverb. Add est to make the superlative adverb. If the base ends in e, drop the e before adding er or est. So the base word would be soon. The comparative is sooner. The superlative is soonest. All right, let's look at close. The comparative is closer. The superlative is closest. So think about it. You said, well, Mr. Scruggs, you said that I have to drop the E if it's an E, such as like the one on close. Well, to give you a hint to make it a little bit easier, all you would need to do in this case is add a R, or if it's a superlative, add an ST. So in your imagination, you're dropping the E, but really you're just going to add one letter on. So if I had to write this down, I wouldn't write EER. So it wouldn't be spelled CLOSEER. It'd be spelled CLOSER. Same E, I just added an R. It wouldn't be spelled for closest. It wouldn't be spelled CLOSEEST. It'll just be CLOS. Leave the E, add ST. Okay, so for adverbs that have more than one syllable, add more to make the comparative adverb. Add most to make the superlative adverb. So the base is safely. So the comparative is more safely. The superlative is most safely. For the adverb early, drop the Y and add IER to make the comparative adverb. Add IEST to make the superlative adverb. So for early, I would say if it was comparative, I would say earlier. If it was uh, superlative, I would say earliest. All right, so let's do some practice. Okay, so the sentence reads Carlene took our defeat the blank of everyone on the hockey team. I'm gonna give you a few seconds to guess what do you think this would be. Would it be harder? So should it say Carlene took our defeat the harder of everyone on the hockey team? Or would it be hardest? Carlene took our defeat the hardest of everyone on the hockey team. What do you think it'd be? Just, just think. Call it out. All right. I'm gonna say harder. Let's see what I get. That's wrong. Okay. The right answer is hardest. So for the explanation, it shows us. All right. So Carlene took our defeat the hardest. So the comparative adverbs, again, they compare the actions of a person, thing, or group to the actions of some other person, thing, or group. All right, so I got that wrong on purpose. So let's do it again. All right, Susan, who runs a bakery and must be at work before 6 o'clock, rarely sleeps in late than her husband. So would I put latest or later? Give you a few seconds to think about it. put this or would I put that? I'm going to put later. Let's see what we get. That's right, later. Okay, so let's do another one. Of the three divers in the in the competition, Brian kept his legs the straight when entering the water. So would I put the straighter or the straightest? Tell me what you think. I'm going to put the straightest when entering the water. That's correct. All right, let's do a few more. Of everything in the universe, light travels the faster or fastest. Think about it. What you think? Tell me. Travels the fastest. Okay, Brandon has an incredible memory. So he usually remembers details. Okay, this is a good one. Distinct, distinctly than I do, or distinctively. Which one do you think it is? I'm gonna say distinctive. That's incorrect. Okay, how is that wrong? Let's go back to the bottom. So Brandon has an incredible memory. So he usually remembers details distinctly than I do. I put distinctly, distinctively, and that wasn't right. Can somebody tell me what should I've put? It says it right there. The ly. Add the ly. All right, we got it. So we're gonna try it again. Of all the traders at his firm, Mr. Cohen is known for investing the cautiously. So I don't think it'd be cautiously. Would it be cautiously or would it be cautiously? Oh, that's not right either. Why is it not right? Because the comparative adverbs, I either add est or er. So if the base ends in e, drop the e before adding er. All right, let's see if Mr. Scruggs can get another one right. I know you guys got it. Planes often fly low on short flights than on long ones. This one, would it be lowest or lower? I'm gonna say lower. Yay! I got it right. Fantastic. Okay. All right, so let's do one more. Mr. Wells campaigned hard this or harder than his opponent and won the election. I'm going to say harder, and I got it right. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.